Hey everybody, we're on our way to Redding, California, which is about 3 hours away, to pick up our trailer. We got a new trailer last June, so it hasn't been a year, and it had some warranty issues, and so we found a dealer that would take it, which was kind of hard. Grand Design is a great company. They've been nothing but wonderful as far as getting these things done, but finding somebody to work on it has been really difficult because we live in such a remote part of California. There are no trailer dealerships. This is the closest one, 3 hours away. So we've kind of had the runaround. They've had it for 3 months. They've had it since November. We told them we weren't in a huge rush to get it because of the holidays, but never did we think it would be February 27th that we would be picking it up. And we had to kind of say, hey, we want it. It needs to be done. And calling every day for about a week and a half. It's finally done.
Well, I think I called them 5 times yesterday.
Yeah, well, yesterday, because they're supposed to be taking some pictures because the arm to the awning supposedly was our problem, and they said they were getting a new one. They said it was on its way. Then they said they had it, but the guy who needed to install it had a family emergency, so that pushed it to Monday. And then when we called Monday, they said, oh, it hasn't been done yet. We don't have the arm yet. And we're like, hold it. That's not what you said the other day. So we're gonna go see. Grand Design has been really great. They said to take pictures of everything that was done. If we're not satisfied with anything, to let them know immediately. So crossing our fingers that it's just a case of, we didn't live there and they put it in the back and kind of forgot about it. We're hoping we see our trailer as pretty as we left it. So we'll keep you posted. Oh, poor trooper, we stopped on our way to Redding. It's really windy up on top of the mountain. I think we're on Lord Ellis? Yes, top of Lord Ellis. On the way to Redding, and it's windy. The trooper needed a break, and he has to have his medicine. The trooper's been really sick. He's having tummy troubles. Don't laugh at me, Desmond.
I love the way he looks at you.
So Desmond's mixing up his medicine. It's kind of like a Pepto, we think. Yeah, $30 Pepto-Bismol, a little tablet you get from the vet. And we're supposed to give it to him an hour after meals. Okay, we don't have to watch him pee. Oh, trooper, are you so sad? It's windy. Hi, buddy. Oh, it's windy, but look how pretty it is down here. We're up on the hills. See the hoop houses in the distance. The marijuana industry's big here. Oh, there they go. Okay, quick update. We just got off the phone with Grand Design. Once again, they've been great to work with. We're on our way to pick up our trailer. The company that has our trailer hasn't sent Grand Design the photos that they requested and that we requested, showing that the work in the fiberglass and all the repairs have been made. So it's going to be interesting to see. Desmond's of the mindset that we just go, we walk through the trailer, we get it hooked up.
We get it hooked up first.
We get it hooked up.
And then we walk through it.
And then we walk through it and we leave. Grand Design is such an awesome company. The gal we were just talking to said that, she understands, get the trailer. If they have done repairs that are not adequate or well done, Grand Design will cover that. They will let another authorized dealer, because this dealer is authorized. They should know what they're doing. So it's going to be interesting to see. Keep it posted. So we're on our way to go pick up the trailer. How are you feeling, Desmond?
Fantastic. I just went to Trader Joe's.
Yeah, we did get to go to Trader Joe's, which is always a party. We love Trader Joe's.
How about whiskey and candy?
Yeah, and gin.
My 2 favorite food groups.
So we're just going to try to remain optimistic that everything's going to be perfect with the trailer, and they did what they were supposed to, and it's in great shape. So
Grand Design's been awesome.
Yeah, Grand Design's been great. We're crossing our fingers that after 3 months, our trailer is done and perfect.
Yeah.
Why are you laughing, Des?
Because
Desmond.
I am cynical at heart, so yeah.
Yeah, we both are a little
It doesn't matter. I'm
cynical.
hooking to it first. I'm headed towards the exit before they realize they may not get paid.
And we did get a beautiful drive. We got to see both Mount Lassen and Mount Shasta,
Yeah.
covered with snow. It's a beautiful day. It's 81 degrees, which that is such a nice warm temperature compared to the coast.
for late February.
For late February, it's great. So
Yeah.
we're happy to have a little warmth and sunshine.
Yeah.
And Trooper's happy to go for a ride. Aren't you, Trooper? Where is he? Oh, I can't get him in there because it's backward. There he is.
Somewhere.
Bye. We're driving up to pick up our RV. Hopefully, all is going to go well. Okay, we are just pulling into the service entrance to pick up our RV. Wow, it's busy here. We'll see what we can find out. I don't see our trailer yet. There's a reflection in front of us.
Yeah.
Is it noon, Desmond? It's past noon.
Yeah.
We were told it was.
Let's just park right here.
Yeah.
I'll walk in.
So Desmond's gonna go walk in and find out what's going on.
There you go.
And I will just stay in the car.
Awesome.
But we'll film them. There goes Desmond. I hope it goes well. You know, we're pretty nice people. We're not usually grumpy, but when somebody's had your RV for a month, 3 months, you kind of expect it to be done. So I see Desmond walking out. Oh, that's not Desmond, that's someone else. So it is a really busy dealership or repairs. See somebody picking up a new RV. There's a big Solitude there. Several inside. So we're just gonna keep our fingers crossed. Hopefully it'll all work out. So here it comes. Yay, we're finally getting it back. Yay. Is it tipping?
What's that?
A little further? Okay. Yay, we finally get to go on the road again. Here it comes. Desmond's getting all. Okay. Desmond's getting it all hooked up. About 82 degrees today in Redding. Yay, we finally got it back.
Of course it is. It's all this up. All good, girl.
Hooking it up, and here we go. Desmond's checking out the awning. Cross our fingers, yay! Checking it out.
Okay.
Is it all
You
sealed?
want the slide out now?
Is it
Yeah.
perfect?
Yeah. You want to check the other side?
Uh-huh. You open the window. Okay, hopefully the slide, get that out. Okay, we have a trailer behind us. Desmond's getting ready to go.
Get yourself in there. There we go.
So, it went well. Desmond, your observations on the awning arm. Does it look like it's all better?
Yeah, they definitely, you can see where they took it off, realigned it, and reattached it. There were metal shavings on the side of the trim that I cleaned up. Pro bono. It looks like, yeah, I don't see anything out of the ordinary. You know, I guess after I have time to sit and stare at it for a while.
Once we get
I
home.
may have a different, view of things, but for the moment, everything looks good. It was dry inside, which was a big concern
Yeah,
for me.
it was spotless inside.
Everything looked clean and dry. So.
The slide went in and out easily.
Yeah, now I
the
gotta
awning went
cross.
in and out. Now it doesn't have to cross
I
the
gotta cross
highway.
a busy highway. Excuse me. Here we go.
Fun.
We are going. Boom. That's all right.
And now we have a 3 hour, well, probably 3.5 with the trailer.
Yeah.
3.5 hour drive home. And we'll get the trailer parked and
Stuffed into the driveway.
stuffed into the driveway and cleaned and washed.
Yeah.
Get the house tidied up before we can go because we've been getting stuff ready to sell
Yeah.
so we can sell the house. It's been busy. But yeah, it's nice to have our little mobile traveling house with us again.
Yes, our home away from home.
Our home away from home.
Back
So
with us. I got to adjust my mirror there. Now
I
I
have
can
to
see.
say I'm much happier with how it went. Still not happy that it took over 3 months. I mean, that's just ridiculous. And kind of frustrated that you would have thought maybe they would have washed it with all we've been through.
But
So
but I get the feeling that had I called them 6 weeks ago and gotten pretty irritated,
it would have
it
been
would have
done.
magically been done 6 weeks ago.
Yeah, I think,
That's-
and I actually asked the manager, and I said, you know, should we have been calling? I go, we tried not to bug ya. Just seems like 3 months was a really long time. He goes, and he had, you know, the typical excuses. Oh, we're so short-handed, and so many people, and a guy went out on a family emergency for a week, and it's like, well, I can understand.
Which can all be true.
That could be
But-
true, but a week. I mean, you've had it since November 11th.
Yeah,
And
that's
so
more than a week.
That's, yeah. So, yay, it's back. And I guess maybe that so many people are RVing that these places are swamped. But I have a feeling if we would have bought the trailer from them, it would have been done a little quicker.
Maybe.
Maybe.
So we're gonna make our way through Reading now and on to beautiful 299 and head back
And
towards.
head home. Maybe stop for lunch on our favorite spot along the river, the Straw House.
Here's 299 West. I
Which is
think
a big
this
flat.
is Bonaventura Road. Yeah, this is the one he
So,
said to
okay.
take.
Talk to you guys soon. Okay, well, we made it home. About 7 hours of driving today. It's about 3 hours to Reading, but with the trailer a little more. So it's nice to have it back on the street in front of our house. Tomorrow we'll go through and we'll clean it and get it packed up and hopefully head down to the desert. Where are you going, buddy? Yeah, I love you too. Thanks for the kiss. Are you happy to be home without a long day in the car? You gotta get ready to get back in the car, buddy. We're gonna travel again. Love you, Troops. You're a good boy.